Right now that is like my charitable situation is so beautiful. I am really happy to be here this time. Yeah. Full of people around as well, but it is so
For free. Definitely don't feel bad about doing that.
Actually, JK, let me refilm that intro because that intro had terrible lighting. See, I have a lot of natural light in my room and I really, really love that because it's like, wow. And I get to like see the whole world literally. And like people can see me film this video, but that's beside the point. But I keep on saying but because I literally don't know what else to say. Anyways, I have laundry downstairs I have to go pick up. So I'm gonna go do that and be right back. Okay, so I'm trying to test out a new angle, and I don't know if this is working out. I bet you I'm gonna look at this, and I'm not even gonna be in the frame, but yeah. You're probably, I don't have a mic on me right now, but I'm gonna get ready and then go to CVS to buy some clips so I can, like, the Velcro, what do you call those things? Command strips, so I can put this, like, little thing on my wall. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get ready and then I'll deal with that. I'm back, and this is what I got. I got 3 command strips, 3 packs, so I think I have 16 in total. No, I only have 12 actually. Yeah, I only have 12. I was not counting correctly. But the goal is, I honestly don't know how to do this. I don't see much of these, but I got 2 of these, and I want to put one right by my desk so I can hang a bunch of stuff on it. I got like a bunch of these for like only pretty cheap actually. So yeah. But I don't know how to put command strips on this thing though. No? Wait, let me figure this out real quick. Okay, so I got the oh my god, wait, actually? Yeah. Oh, so there's actually like a lot. Shimming, we could probably put like here. And then, I don't know guys, this might not work, so don't trust me. I didn't think about this part where like possibility of it like what else? So it came with a bunch of parts, but I honestly just don't know what any of these are. So let's I'm really scared. Like, I'm not. Oh. Ugh. Keep the one attached. You know what I mean? Oh, that's so slay. Wow, that is so cute. That's good for now. I literally don't know. Okay, so now that I've accomplished this, I'm gonna set up a meeting because I mean, I was supposed to do Zoom, but I think I'm gonna just set up a Google Meet. I'm gonna set up a Google Meet and meet with someone because they're asking me to make a remix for them. So I'm gonna do that, then I'll make dinner. Honestly, that's all I did today. Whew, I'm so tired because I'm doing my laundry, as you'll see earlier in the video, but I got my last load. Actually, this isn't even my last load because I've been laundry in 2 weeks, but you have to go like down 3 floors and up 3 floors, so I'm like out of breath. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go do that now. Bye-bye.